What is going on, guys? It's your favourite entrepreneur, Graham David Holroyd here, coming to you live from my home office here in the United Kingdom, helping you create prosperity and fulfillment beyond your wildest imagination through the power of digital marketing. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell, because every time I upload a new video, I want you to be notified to help you succeed. Okay, in this video, we are going to be discussing the video marketing crash course, okay? People are scared to get in front of the camera. Sometimes you don't even need to get in front of the camera, just do a voiceover. But what I want to do is I want to give you some insider tips to help you succeed and create videos that go viral, okay? Not only that can go viral, but to help your audience, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the 3 steps and the 5 steps and some videos that you can do, okay? And if you stay to the end of this video, I have a super duper bonus for you, okay? So make sure you stay to the end, okay? So let's just talk about the 5 steps first. Step number 1 is the introduction, okay? So if you're going on camera and you're recording for the very first time, nail your introduction, okay? It may take you a couple of attempts if you're brand new and you're a little bit scared, a little bit nervous. Don't be. Literally just grab your phone, press record, and say your introduction. Just say who you are and what you want to give to people, okay? How can you help them, okay? So have that introduction ready, write it down, have it at the side of you, whichever is easiest for you, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to go into the value of your video. What value do you want to give to your audience, okay? So if you're in the, let's say for instance, the health industry, what value can you give? Could it be 3 steps to losing weight, 3 steps or 7 steps or 8 steps or whatever the case may be onto losing X amount of pounds, or doing exercises? What kind of exercises would you recommend? That's if you're in the health industry. So number 1, introduction. Number 2, provide the value, okay? Now, step number 3, we're going to be talking about the problem. So you want to give a problem. The reason we want to give a problem is because on step 4, we're going to give the solution. So the problem may be if you're in the digital marketing industry and you're paying thousands of dollars every single month to build websites and create sales funnels and things like that. But you've got a solution. Just like myself, I'm with Builderall. Builderall is basically an all-in-one digital marketing platform. So if you're going out there and you're spending thousands of dollars every single month, or even just hundreds of dollars every single month on creating your website and capturing leads, email addresses, etc., Builderall, fairly cheap, but the quality is immense. It really is. If you want to know more about Builderall, you'll see the first link in the description to this video. And then, yeah, going on again to step 4, providing that solution. So we've got the problem, now we've got the solution. Number 5, close, okay? Not close as in the clothes that you wear, but you want to go in with a strong close, i.e. call to action. Why should people click on your link in the description? If you've provided some top-notch value and they know, like and trust you, the chances are they will probably buy from you, okay? So now you've got the 5 steps. I did mention and all, we've got 3 steps. Now, the 3 steps are what I like to call the C principle. S-E-E. Smile, eye contact, and enthusiasm. People don't want to see boring old you just stood in front of a camera, stood straight like this, Hi, my name is Graham David Holroyd and I do XYZ for a living. Does that make sense? So if you're talking like one monotone, it probably won't work. You may get a few people that resonate with you, which is pretty cool. But if you're enthusiastic, you're moving about, you're jumping about, your tone of voice is going up, your tone of voice is coming down at certain parts. That's how you kind of hook people in. So they tend to listen to more about what you're saying rather than if you was just monotone. Okay? Now some of the videos that you could do, again, let's say for instance you're in the health industry. Some of the videos that you could do a book review about a certain topic. So if you're reading a good book on how to lose weight or how to gain muscle or whatever the case may be, do a book review and have your link to your, if you're an affiliate marketer, affiliate product in the description to the video, and you can ask people to click on that. You can ask people in the video to give you a little bit of feedback as well. So you can always say in the video, what did you think to the video? Whereabouts are you from? Where are you watching this video from? Let me know in the comments, that kind of thing. On that note, let me know where you're coming from watching this video. Okay, just drop something like, I'm from the United Kingdom, I'm from the USA, I'm from Brazil, whatever the case may be, just let me know. You can also do reviews, you can also do videos on interviews. Interview somebody in your industry who's classed as one of the leaders, somebody that people look up to. Just reach out to them and say, hey, I'm building or creating a YouTube channel. I'm looking for some motivation, some inspiration. Could I jump on a quick 10-minute interview with yourself, something that I can provide my viewers with? The chances are they want to lead by example, so they will more often than not say yes. Number one, if that's your immediate upline in your industry and with you getting sales, that will help them get sales. So I'm pretty sure they will say yes, anything to help out. Number one, it helps you create a brand. It helps you get more commissions. And number three, it helps them get commissions as well. Okay. Other videos that you can do company review. So do a review about your company. So if I was to do a video, I could do a video about Builderall, explaining what tools they use, the website builder, the chatbots, the email marketing, the CRM, the booking app. The list goes on and on. So you could do the exact same thing. Another video could be doing product reviews. So if you're selling physical products, you can literally have the product in your hand, showing your viewers exactly what they are, what they do, and how it can benefit them. Okay? But like I said at the beginning of this video, don't be scared to get in front of the camera. Literally, get your phone, get your microphone, whatever the case may be, press record and start talking. Start providing value. Somebody once said, successful people feel the fear and do it anyway. Let me repeat that. Successful people feel the fear and do it anyway. So if you want to be successful, get in front of the camera. You may feel like it's not going to work, but trust me, believe in yourself. Now, as I said at the beginning of this video, I have a super duper bonus for you. It is my 6-figure system ebook. It's worth $97. I am giving it to you today for free. Okay, the link for that ebook is going to be the second link down in the description. Okay, so go ahead, click that, claim your free copy just for staying to the end of this video. On that note, again, my name is Graham David Holroyd. I am going to be doing videos at least once a week, helping you succeed in your journey. Take care, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.